Hi children, welcome back to English class. In our previous class, we discussed workbook part, that is 10th lesson, Robinson Crusoe, about the island where that Crusoe's ship was got destroyed or damaged, where his ship wrecked. Okay, that place about that island we discussed in the passage and also the question and answers. Now let's go with the next exercises, that is play with words. Okay. In play with words, that is section B. In play with words, that is section B, we have fill the blanks with phrasal verbs from the box. You may have to change the tense of the verbs. Okay, if you need, you have to change the tense of the verbs. Okay, you have to first fill the blanks, and if need, you need to change the tense of the verbs. Okay, now let's go with this answers first. Find out, call off, get back, break down, agree with. Okay. Now first one. If you want, then you could change like find out, you could change found. Okay. Now our car dash in the middle of nowhere. Our car, first one, find out, we can't write. Call off, no. Broke down. Our car broke down in the middle of nowhere. First one is broke down. Our car broke down in the middle of nowhere. Next, I dash you. I agree with you. We must respect our grandparents. I agree with you. I agree with you that we must respect our grandparents. Okay. Now let's go with the next one. That is, Sheetal had to go out of town suddenly. So she had to dash the party. So she has to call off. Call off means to end the party, to end the meeting. Call off the meeting means to end the meeting. Okay. Call off. Yeah, next it was very difficult to dash who had broken the window pane. It was very difficult to find out. It was very difficult to find out. Okay, now let's go with the fifth one. Junaid dashed from his vacation last week. Got back. He got back. Fifth one is he got back. Junaid got back. First one broke down. Sorry, I have not written B. First one broke down. Agree with. Call off. Find out and got back. Okay, let's go with the C. Part C now. Let's go with the part C. Take the suitable phrases to complete these sentences. Okay. Last night, some robbers dashed Malik's house. Broke up? No. Broke into. Break into means to take out, to remove some part of the house and enter the house is called break into. But it is last night, so let's write broke into. First one, broke into. Broke into. Okay, let's go with the second one. First one is broke into. Second one. Rahul dashed his whole books to the little girl. Gave away. Gave up means to lose the hopes, to drop something, to leave something. I gave up my efforts like that. Okay. Here gave away the books. Gave away. Okay. Let's go with the third one. That is, my family has not had a vacation in 2 years. We are hoping get by this summer. We are hoping get by. Get away, no, get by. Okay? Get away is wrong again. Get away from here. Get away from here like that. Okay? Next, Shita is not feeling well. She may have dashed with a viral fever. She may have come up. No, come down. Come down means not coming down. Means unhealth, upset. Means like becoming weak. Like lean. Okay? So come down. You have come down now. You are looking like when you come down means you have become weak. Okay? Ramani was quite upset, but she bravely dashed her tears till she was alone. She was quite upset, but she was not crying before everyone. Okay? She was bravely held up her tears. Held up. Bravely held up. Okay, next, if you do not understand any of the words, you can dash your dictionary for the meanings. You can look up. You can look up the dictionary. Okay, you can look up. First one broke into, second one gave away, third one get by, fourth one come down, fifth one elder, sixth one look up. You may look up. Okay. Next, circle the correct words to complete the sentences. Okay. Now let's go with that one. D, exercise D. Let's go with exercise D, and in D what you have to do is you have to circle the correct answer. This you know already. It's this all we did already. Okay. Circle the correct words to complete the sentences. First, B1. First. Dash friends are waiting for you outside. Your friends. You are friends. Your friends. First one, your friends are waiting. Okay, the next thing is, this book is in a terrible condition. Its cover is torn and dirty. Its cover means without apostrophe. This I have discussed already. Okay, it is not polite means it apostrophe s. It is short form apostrophe s. This is its cover. Okay, possessive. It is short form. Next, fourth one. If it is inconvenient, write this side. Same apostrophe s. Okay. Next, fifth one. Natasha, how glad I am to see that you are not angry with me. You are. You should write you are. Not angry with me. Sixth one. Are you sure you are alright? Are you sure you are alright? Are you sure you are alright? Seventh one. Where are your books and water bottle? Seventh one. Where are your books and your water bottle? Your. I hope you could see up to 7th now. You will bit down the camera. Now first one, your. It's apostrophe. It's with apostrophe. You are, your. Okay, let's go with no grammar. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. But, on, and, so, because. Arjun is tired, but he has been working in the garden all day. Though he was tired, but he has been working till in the garden. Okay, but you have to fill the blank with but. Let's go with that. First one is but. First one, Arjun, but. That is E. Exercise E. The next one is Priya can meet us today or she can meet us after the weekend. Because you cannot write but she can meet. And no, so are, O-R-R. Okay, she can meet today or on that day. Next, I stood in the queue for 2 hours. Dash, I could not get the tickets. So I cannot, you cannot write, but I could not get. But will be the correct. Because you cannot write, okay, and you cannot get but, okay. Urmila needed to buy some groceries. Dash, she has gone to the market. Because she has, and so she has gone to the market. So your answer you should get ready. That is so. So she has gone to the market. So now fifth one. Let's go with the fifth one. It was cold and wet today, so Rahul went outside. So Rahul went outside without a jacket. It was a cold and wet day, so Rahul went outside without a jacket. No. So, but Rahul went outside. So Rahul went outside, you cannot say no. Without a jacket. But it was a cold and wet today. But Rahul went outside without a jacket. But he went outside without any jacket. But. Now sixth one. I enjoy playing football. But and you could write. And reading novels. Okay. Okay, that's it. You can also write here and I think. See, it was a cold and wet day, and Rahul went outside without a jacket. But Rahul went without jacket. Okay, that you could write. Okay, let's go with the next one. Join these pairs of sentences using the conjunctions given in brackets. You will have to make some other changes. Okay, Dinesh is intelligent. Dinesh is hardworking. Okay, now first one, you should write and. Dinesh is intelligent and hardworking. You cannot write again and again two times. You should avoid such things. Dinesh is intelligent and hardworking. Now I am going to erase all this. Now let's write, and last one is for your homework part. That is think and write is for your homework part. Let's finish off this quickly. Now first one. Okay, can you see the pouch now? Let me start from here. Yeah, first let me start from here. Yeah, from here. First one. Dinesh is intelligent and hardworking. Dinesh is intelligent and hardworking. Dinesh is intelligent and hardworking. Second one, Helen can speak French. She cannot read and write French. Okay? Helen can speak French, but she cannot read and write. Okay? Helen can speak French, but she cannot read and write. She cannot read, I'm writing here, read and write. Let's go with the third one. Third one, Radha was hungry. Radha made herself a sandwich. Radha was hungry, so Radha was, let me take a big one. Radha was hungry, so she made a sandwich herself. So she made a sandwich herself. Okay. Now next one, Mahesh cannot read musical notes, but he can play piano very well. Fourth one, Mahesh. Next one is Mahesh cannot. Mahesh cannot read musical notes, but he can play the piano very well. He can play the piano very well. He can play the piano very well. That's it. Now, let's go with the next, last one. That is fifth one. I practice yoga every day. It keeps me healthy and happy. I practice. Let me write here. Let me write fifth one here. I am going to erase down here. Okay. Fifth one. I practice. Practice. I practice yoga every day because it keeps me fit and healthy. What else? Healthy and happy. Healthy and happy. Let me draw a line. So healthy and happy. Now see once again I'm going to read and let's go with the next exercise, that is G. Pick the correct answer. Dinesh is intelligent and hardworking. Hardworking or hardworking? Yeah, hardworking. Helen can speak French but she cannot read and write. Radha was hungry so she made a sandwich herself. Mahesh cannot read musical notes but he can play the piano very well. I practice yoga every day because it keeps me healthy and happy. Now let's go with the next exercise. I'm going to erase here. Tick the correct words to complete the sentences. Dash Ram had the cake. He asked for some water. I'm erasing first and second. First and second. That's it. Okay. First and second I'm erasing. This is G part. You need to write the first one. When Ram had the cake, he asked for some water. No. After Ram had the cake, after, first one. After. Now let's go with the second one. It was raining when the kids were busy watching the match. While the kids were busy. It was raining while the kids were busy watching the match. While the kids were. Okay, when also you can write. I met her as I walked out of the house. As I walked. Fourth one, when it began raining, we decided to go home. When it began raining, none of the second one you could write while also. While they were doing this, while they were doing that. Okay? You could go with while and while could be the correct. See, second one. It was raining while the kids were busy watching the match. Okay? While they were doing that, this happened like that. She was going to work while she heard the news. When she heard the news or while she heard the news? She was going to work while she heard the news. Why? Okay, now the last page of this workbook, that is this academic year, we are going to finish. This is your last workbook homework too. I'm glad that we are going to finish your academic coursework and also the workbook. Okay. Imagine that you are a 12-year-old girl on the island. Write a story in 2 paragraphs about how you rescued your neighbors, like Robinson Crusoe. You can use what you were doing in that island. Why did you go there? With whom did you go there? How did you lose them? How did you miss them? Okay, where you were, what you saw, what you realized, what you did, how you did it, what your neighbor said and did, what happened at the end, how you rescued from that island. You rescued your neighbors also. You did not miss them. You were neighbors, okay? And you rescued them, okay? You should write in this paragraph way. Okay, you can use till here. No, don't worry. First you see, this is think and write H part. H part is today's homework. H part is think and write. Think and write is for your homework. Today's homework. This is the last homework of this workbook. Think and write. Okay, write with more interest. Okay. Now see what you were doing. Why did you go with them? Where you were? What you saw then? What you realized? Something happened there. Okay, that you should narrate that situation. And what you did, how you did it, what your neighbors saw and did, what happened at the end, how you rescued your neighbors. See, imagine that you are a 12-year-old girl on the island. Write a story in 2 paragraphs about how you rescued your neighbors. That's all for today's part. We have finished the workbook. Okay, now it's your part. You have to improve your skills in English language. The 4 skills: reading, listening, writing and speaking. That you have to concentrate all the time. You take these 4 skills, not these book lessons or stories. You should improve and enhance these English 4 skills, LS.W skills. Okay, fine children, have a nice time and have a bright future. Bye bye for now. Have a nice time.